have not subscribed, kindly subscribe, watch the video to the end. For those who are new, my name is Claudia and I'm back in the streets of Nairobi. So let me tag you along as I walk in the streets of Nairobi. I'm just walking around. Today is on a Sunday. So make sure you watch the video to the end. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Support your girls here. This is how the streets of Nairobi looks like. So guys, this is how the streets of Nairobi looks like. Let's keep on walking, guys, as I take you around. Yeah. So as I take you around, make sure you subscribe. So I take you around, make sure you subscribe. Then we keep on taking you around. This is how the city looks like, so clean. Being on a Sunday, the streets are very clean. So guys, let's walk on this street. Let me take you on this street. Let's just keep on exploring Nairobi. So I'm not going like that way. Let me take you this way.
Hey.